Have you ever received a gift that someone made just for you? Honestly, those gifts are unforgettable. So today I decided to make something special for Raksha Bandhan. Everyone, welcome back to day 6 of my 30 days creative journey. If you are new here, hi, I am Hina, and every single day I am trying a new creative hobby, DIY or art project to step out of my comfort zone. Today we are making handmade resin Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan has always been one of my favorite festivals. Every year we buy a Rakhi, but this time I kept thinking, what if I could make one myself? Something unique, something personal, something that my brother could keep as a memory. Because honestly, handmade gifts are always carry a little piece of your heart, और शायद इसी वजह से उनकी इतनी वैल्यू भी होती है. So for this, I used this resin art kit by Explorer Learn. As a beginner, I was honestly a very nervous. मुझे लगता था रेजिन की राखी बनाना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट होता होगा, बट सरप्राइजिंगली द किट had almost everything I needed. From resin supplies to molds to decorative element, it made the whole process much easier. सामान इकट्ठा करने की झंझट तो यहाँ पर खत्म ही हो गई because this kit has all the materials. And I really love that. बेस्ट पार्ट, आप अपनी पसंद की किसी भी राखी बना सकते हैं. सम वर क्यूट, सम वर एडल्ट, सम आर वेरी एलिगेंट. फाइनल रिजल्ट जब मैंने देखा तो मुझे इस खुद पर बिलीव ही नहीं हुआ. आई कुडंट स्टॉप स्माइलिंग बिकॉज दीज वरंट जस्ट राखी एनीमोर, दे बिकम मेमोरीज. Forget to like, comment and subscribe, and tell me in the comment which was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and do follow me on Instagram for my 30 days creative journey.